Good evening, Mananda. Now we can understand that how to prepare PPT presentation for the project reviews. This is the first slide. In first slide, we can observe that the title of the project. We can write project title in capital letters and bold it. At the bottom of the title, we can place our college logo. We can write mini project top by and mention the all the team members. The leader name and roll number, we can bold it. Below this, we can mention that under supervision means your guide name. Below the guide name, we can mention that designation and department. This is the next second slide. We can mention here what are the content we are present entire presentation. You can follow the particular order: motivation, abstract, introduction, literature survey, research gap, object to system architecture, conclusion, outcomes, future work references. First, we can start with motivation. What is motivation? In motivation slide, we can mention that how we can motivate for doing this project. You can mention some of the points related to the motivation of this project. After that, we can write your abstract, enter your project abstract. Next, introduction. Introduction about your project. Here, we can mention clearly. We want any diagrams, we can mention those diagrams here, and below the diagram we mention that figure name 1 and name of the figure. Next, coming to the literature, all of you maintain same style of representation: serial number, author, year, technique use, dataset, performance analysis, outcomes, limitation. While delivering the literature survey, we mentioned that so and so author in so and so year, by using this technique and data set, they got particular outcome. They observe some limitations. Like that, we can express all the literature reviews. Finally, we can conclude what are the gaps we are observed entire research. Those gaps we can mention here, research gap slide. Okay. After completing of research gaps, we can mention that objectives. For fulfilling this research gap, what are the objectives we are consider? Those objectives we can mention here. Then we can start your methodology. Some projects they are writing methodology, some projects they are writing system architecture. Based upon your project, we can mention system architecture or methodology. After completing of the explanation of the entire project, we can conclude your project with outcomes, conclusion. After that, we can mention future work. Future work after we can mention references also. Finally, we can conclude your presentation with thank you.